student out of Columbus, New Jersey, as Gusenberg hits it high in the air towards the right side. Schiekofer makes the play, and the throw to third is in time. Kalarko tried to steal one there, and what a cannon from Schiekofer. 1-1 is driven towards the right side. Schiekofer making a run at it, slides and makes the catch. Throw to first is not in time. A wet gem from Richie Schiekofer.
Base attempts a season ago. Sounds like a good all-around ball player to me. 2-0. High fly ball, center field. Schiekofer going back to the track, to the wall, and he makes the grab! Slams into the fence with the ball in his glove. What a play by Richie Schiekofer! Raymond Gill advances from second to third. And Gabe Rivera walks back to the dugout. Another look.
Oh, look at that. He takes a look at the wall. He knows where he is. Perfect body position. Glove over his left shoulder. Tracking the ball the entire way. But the key, Alex, of that play, as soon as his foot hit the warning track, he took a quick look at the wall. Kept an eye on the ball, took a quick look at the wall. It's a thumbs up, and thumbs up from me. That's a spectacular catch. He had to go a long, long way. That ball was hit just about 400 feet. So, Gabe Rivera, by the way, I don't know that I've seen.
From the get-go. Rustich towards left center field. Krizik and Schiekofer. Diving catch by Richie Schiekofer. 2 down in the fourth. Schiekofer laying out in left center field to make the grab.
This ball is hit into center field hard and caught. Another diving catch. Schiekofer, yeah, made the play.
Medea line drive towards center field. It's dropping quickly, and did it get down? It did not. The catch is made by center fielder Richie Schiekofer.
Page with a flare to right field, and a nice play by Schiekofer. Took a base hit away from Page.
That's a terrific play.
Schiekofer. Nice sliding catch.
Nicely done out there in right field. Had a long way to go, ranging to his left. Thought off the bat, the way it sounded, it was just going to fall out there in shallow right field.